Mga kayamanan.
Okay guys, jumble tayo guys. Second game between CNC versus
Okay na tayo,
PC
guys?
Injection.
Scorer naman ang patuloy. Kanino first possession? Sa puti, papupunta. Pinasa kay Incipido. Incipido now. Harap mo by Watas pa. Palong-halong siya. By Espinelli. Mukhang nauungan sa yata si Kuya. Mga kumpanya niya. Ang gandang pinapakita rin na. Ni isang Espinelli. Madung daw. Oh, ingat-ingat lang guys. Gomez, pass to Erna daw, pass to Gomez. 5 seconds shot. Gomez, 5, 1 go. Rebound by Rivera daw. Harus may Kalinan. Kalinan, pass to Gomez. 5, 2 points, by sino yun? Madung pala yun. Rivera, harap sa may Kalinan. Pass to Incipido now, 14 seconds shot. Incipido, 10 seconds shot. Espinelli, attempts for 3. 1 go, rebound by Madu. Ayan na si Madu. Drive. 10 seconds by Incipido now. Dire-diretso, tumalaksak, tumira, wala, rebound by Rivera now. Set the play, pass to Incipido, 10 seconds shot. Back to Rivera. 5 seconds shot. What's up? Erna now. Sinababa ang bola. Erna. Back to Karilan. Karilan, harap na may Watas. 10 seconds shot. Back to Erna. Attempts for 3. 1 go. Rebound to Espinelli. Espinelli. Tumasagasa. Espinelli. 2 points. Back to Karinan. Rebound shot. 1 go. Rebound to may Watas. Watas now. Watas. Nag-1 bola. Karinan now. Back to Erna. Back to Belay. Intercepted by Maniti. Badikin na, dire-diretso, nag-iwan ng bola, nakuha ni Erna, ayan na si Erna, 3 laban sa isla, kung Kalinan, 5 sa only. Pasok, 1 point para kay Giro, Kalinan. Rivera now. Dribbling the ball, dinababa ang bola. 50 seconds shot. Incipido, jump shot. 1 go, rebound. Espinelli, drive, tumusot, pinasa kay Maniti. 10 seconds shot. Incipido, shooting up ang ball. Madung now, dribbling the ball. Tumalaksak, tumangga, tumira, may pito. Wala pa rin, rebound by Espinelli.
Ingabot ang gamay. Ingabot gamay.
6 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to Watas. Incipido. Nakuha ang bola. Kay Maniti pa rin. 10 seconds shot na. Maniti pa. 1 go. Rebound by Maniti. Follows up there by Maniti. 2 points there by Maniti. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. I score for Robin. 6-3. Lamang ang 6. Madung. 1 go. Big rebound by Espinelli. Espinelli. Dire-diretso. Lays up. 1 go. Rebound. May bagong coach pala eh. Nag-resign na pala ng coach. Erna. Back to Gomez. Back to Madung. Madung pa. 1 go. Rebound by Espinelli. Espinelli. To Rivera, back to Espinelli. Back to Esquipino, wala. Rebounder by Erna. Erna now. Ayan na si Erna. Dakla. Pass to Gomez. Gomez. Pass. Wala. Rebounder by wala. What that now? What as? Diretso. May tito. It's a traveling by Erna. Pasok Karinan. Karinan. Run. There's no whistle. Is stepping on line. So Rivera. Rivera now. Last 5 minutes remaining for the first quarter. Rivera taking the play. 15 seconds shot clock. Pasok Ferrer. Pass for 3. Ferrer. Karinan. Karinan now, dribbling the ball, setting the play. 10 seconds shot clock. Karinan, naagawan, tinasakay Gomez, solo, no points para kay break. Intercepted by Berha. Berha now. Pass to Erna. Erna. 15 seconds shot clock. Pass to Berha. Jump shot. 2 points to Berha. Score for 11, 9, 7. Rivera now. Harap may Karinan. Rivera, double kill. Nakuha ni Manini. Gal, nakuha. Papupunta sa perde ang bola. Erna, dribbling the ball. Pasok Karinan. Karinan. Pass. 2 points to by Karinan. I score for 11. Deadlock na. All right na tayo. Ferrer, Manini. 1 goal. Pasalak pala yun. Manini, 2 points. Gomez, pato Erna. Erna. Pato Berha. 10 seconds shot clock. Erna for 3. Erna, 11, 12. Back to Marcelo. Back to Ferrer. Back for 3. 1 goal. Rebound by Madu. Madu now. Pinababa ang bola. Tumagasa. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Maliti. Back to Rivera. Rivera now. Harap by Berha. Tinasa sa kalaran. Nawa ni Berha ang bola. Back to Erna. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Pass to Madu. 2 points. Goal by Madu. Marcelo now. Marcelo. Lays up. 2 points. Goal by Marcelo. Erna has the ball. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Berha. 2 points to by Berha. Rivera. Rivera now. On the ball. Pass to Ferrer. 1 goal. At pasahan ng talong na Espinelli. Espinelli. Tumagasa. Iniwan ng bola. Rivera. Harap to by Berha. 5 seconds shot clock. Intercepted by Pinasa kay Erna. 1 goal. Rebounder by Espinelli. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Pass to Rivera. Rivera now. Doon for keeper. Nakita si Manini. May pito. First jumpers ready for the final throw. Wala pa rin. Rebounder by Gomez. Gomez now. Ibinababa ang bola. Score! 13-16. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Isla Champion. Gomez, Brad, foul, 1 goal. Rebound Marcelo. Marcelo palapusan kay Santin, Brad, 2 points. Rebound Santin. Ang magnabarabas, nagkabangaraan. Score! 15 sa Isla, lamang pa rin ang isa. Ang Isla Champion. Patulaote. 10 seconds shot clock. Karinang foul, 1 goal, rebounded by Santin. 4 seconds remaining. Nakuha ni Gomez ang bola. Gomez, finish, 2 points, serve by Gomez. 30 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Captain now. Back to Maniti. 25 seconds remaining, 50 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Intercepted by Gomez. 50 seconds remaining. 12 seconds remaining. Masuerna. Pass for 3. 1 goal. 5 seconds. 2 points. And out for quarter.
Guys, second quarter guys.
Laonen, pinasa kay Erna. Erna, binalik kay Laonen. Popo magkape, tumira, wala. Rebound ni Karina. Karina, umatake, umalaksak, wala. Nagkagawa sa rebound, kaninong bola, taputin tayo. Ayun. Taputin ulit. Espinelli, binalik kay Wagat. Binalik kay Espinelli. Espinelli now. Pass to Santin. 50 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Wagat. And there's a whistle. Wagat. And there's a whistle. Erna now. Erna on the ball. Pass to La Orden. La Orden. Pass to Ori. Rebound by Spinelli. Spinelli now, harap kay Kaliran. Spinelli, nakipagsayawan, pinasa kay Santin. Santin now. Santin, nakakalusot. 10 seconds shot. 1 goal. Rebound by Ori. Ori now, pinasa kay Erna. Erna, ayan na, lulusot. Drop up to Laonen. 1 goal. Rebound by Spinelli. Pass to Santin. Solo na bola. 2 points, play by Santin. Orange now, on the ball. Intercepted by Santin. Santin ulit. Inilista ulit yan. Inilista ulit. Erte now. Dribbling the ball. 1 goal. Rebound by Wagat. Back to Maniti. Maniti now. Susubukan. Dibangka. Umira. Maniti pa rin. 2 points, play by Maniti. Sipag lang yan now. Dribbling the ball. Ay score mo natin. 23. 18. Lima na alamangan ng CNCD. Orange now. Arpen Pinelli. Pasto kanila. Jump shot. 1 goal. Jump. Santin. Dribbling the ball. Pasto Pinelli. Back to Santin. Santin now. Grab. 5. 1 goal. Rebounded by Santin pa rin ang bola. Santin. Susubukan ng net. 1 rebound sa Orden. Pass break. Mabilis. Ayun lang. Pinasa kay Kalinan. Intercept sa Orden. 2 points. By the Orden. Santin ay Maniti now. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Santin to Espinelli. Espinelli. Setting the play. Attempting. Back to Wagat. 5. 1 goal. Rebound by Laonen. Laonen. 6 minutes and 45. Ori. Unikot. Umira. Nahuli pero 15 seconds shot lang. Karina sa labas. Nag-aarap sa papamasan. Nakita si Ori. Ori. 2 points. Play by Ori. Wagat now. Pass to Espinelli. Espinelli. Binababa ang bola. Going for the back. 40 seconds shot clock. Santin. Drive. Pass on the free throw line. 2 points. Play by Santin. Erna. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Pass to Karinan. Karinan. Attempt. One goal. Rebound. Erna. Right. Pinasa sa labas. Kaya score! 25-22. Lamang pa rin ang tatlo ang GMC team. Tatli ng bola. Pinasa kay Spinelli. Subukan sa tres. Pasadong malayo. Ayan na. Ninanakawan na kayo ng play. Tumira, wala. Ibang yung Spinelli. Nasundutan, pero sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Spinelli now. Spinelli, dire-diretso. Tinasakay na yung Spinelli. Ang whistle is a foul. One goal, rebounded by Madug. Madug now. Madug, dire-diretso. One goal, ibang laon din. Tumira, may pito. First throw. Pasok. 1 second remaining. Pasok pa rin. Ricky. Santin now. Dribling the ball. Double team. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. 50 seconds shot. Santin. Nakitang kabulan. Sinakay nice dribble. Lauden now. Pass to Erna. Erna now. 13 seconds shot clock. Lauden for 3. One goal. Rebound by Maniti. Maniti. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Nakita si Spinelli. Ayan na si Spinelli. Katalaklas. Pass to Perez. Perez gets the play. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo. Pass for 3. Marcelo. 3. Score. Race up, by Laorden, 2 points, by Laorden now. Santin, didiskarte, nawala ang bola, nakuha ni Carinan, tatlo laban sa isa, Oribal, 2 points, by Ori. Spinelli, harus by Laorden, nasundutan na naman, nakuha ni Bilyong Erna ang bola, paso Laorden, Carinan, lapit, may pito. Pasok. Wala. Sa kay Erna. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Gomez pa. One go. Rebound by Maniti. Pinasa kay Perez. Perez mawala. Na-secure pa rin niya. Maniti. Pass to Rivera. Rivera back to Maniti. Nasundutan. Ayan na si Erna. Nagmamadali. Tumira, wala, rebound by Perez, pass to Rivera, Reza, 2 points by Rivera. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Lauden now, score, Bergamo pulling the line. One goal, rebound by Marcelo, pass to Perez, one goal, sa kanya Tinasa ang kalaban, tawa ni Gomez na, aanganin kung magkasa, pinilitin, tos ang may tala. Spinelli, upbreak to Perez, pass to Maniti. Maniti now, pass to Spinelli. 10 seconds shot na. 5 seconds, 1 goal by Madug. Madug, pass-break to Erna, saktong-sakto, tos ang naitala, for the second quarter. Maniti now. Yun lang, hindi pinayagan. Nakuha ni Perez, tumira. Wala pa rin, rebound by Gomez. Gomez na. Score! Bergamo! Isa na lang kalamaran ng CLC. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Intercepted by Spinelli. Ayan na si Spinelli. Masyado malayo ang kanyang layup. Sayang ang oportunidad. Gomez pass. One goal. Rebound. Is a traveling. Santin. Pass to Rivera. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Pass to Marcelo. 50 seconds na. Spinelli. 10 seconds left. 1 minute remaining. For 3, 1 go. Pass break for Erna. Erna, wala takot. Tatlong laban sa isa. Wala. Rebound to by Marcelo. 45 seconds remaining. Back to Santin. Santin now. Drive, five, 1 go. Rebound to by Oris. Back to Gomez. 45 seconds. Gomez, lays up 2 points. Go by Gomez. 25 seconds remaining. Score, 34. Pagkakas, change labor na tayo. 50 seconds left. For 3 is Pinelli. Not time limit. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Okay, end of regulation.
Okay guys, third quarter
And
guys.
score for Open. That's 7 to 35. What up? Back to Santin. Santin now. Pass to Ferrer. Pass for 3. 1 go. Rebound to Mago. Mago now. Taking the ball. Pinababa ang bola. Panalo yung one mo, yung pwede mo. Santin on the ball. Panalo yung pusa. Andito na naman. Santin. 40 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Back to Maniti. Maniti, drive. Back to Espido. Jump shot. 1 go. Rebound. Insipido sa labas. Ipinasa sa kalaban. Kay Laorden. Laorden. Nilisap. Wala. Rebound yung may Santin. Santin now. Santin. Drive. Nakalusot. Pero kaming-ming-ming. Laorden now. Fake. Drive. Pass. There's the whistle. Dito. Baka makadisgrasya pa. Wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound to by. What up? Pinasa kay Maniti. Maniti. Drive. 1 go. Rebound to by Oris. Oris now. Oris dribbling the ball. Back to Madu. Madu. Going for the play. Back to Oris. Intercepted by one. Back to Santin. Santin. Lays up. Follows up to by Insipido. 2 points. Intercept. Going by one lap. One pass. Back to Santin. To Insipido. Isa pa. Dalawang puntos. Time out. Easy injection. Pinalobo ang kalamangan. Gomez, plays up, 1 go, follows up, there's a whistle. 8:43. Gomez, first goal. Pass up, 41 to 36. Second goal, 1 goal, rebound by Santin. Score pa namin, 41-36. Labang pa rin ang CSC. Pinasa kay Wadas, ganda ng pasahan, pero nahuli nila Orten. Ayan na si Erna, kakaklasor. 2-5, go by. Insipido, jump shot. 1 go, rebound, Madu. Back to Erna. Erna now. Ayan na naman si Erna, umaatake, kasundutan. Ayan yan, ginoong Insipido. Insipido, susubukan, nakuha ni Ferrer. Ferrer, patay.
Wala.
Sayang naman yung assist na yun. At kanaslata. Laon naman. Maniti. Pakusan din, lays up 2 points. Laorden, drive, back to drop. Back to Madu, 2 points, score by Madu. Insipido. Score! 42 to 40. Insidido pa, instant air ball. La orden, heads up, 2 points, stay by la orden. Ulit-ulit ng la orden. Espinelli daw. Espinelli, naagawan ni Ginoong Erna. Pabilisi talaga ng bala mo. Erna, kinasakay ka rin. Good ball shot, 1-0. Magidi, kita sa Espinelli. Tatlo, laban sa isa. Marcelo, Santin, back to Marcelo. Santin ka, 2 points, stay by Santin. Berha, Pinasa, kay Gomez. Ayan na. Ganun pa rin, ganun pa rin. Loudon now. 50 seconds shot na. Bakto ka rin na. 10 seconds shot na. Paso 3. 4 seconds. To Gomez. Pa. 1 goal. Rebound by Maniti. Maniti. Pasto. Espinelli. Espinelli. Tolong-tolong. Sinigurado talaga. 3 seconds remaining. Score for Loudon. 47-42. Lawan pa rin ang JC. Kanila, Pasto Loudon. Bumagak. Nasa kay Berha. 1 goal. Kanila, 2 points. Subay Karinan. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Santin, pinasa kay Marcelo, Maniti. Maniti daw. Pasto Santin. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 1 goal. Rebound. Erna daw. Nasundutan. Nakuha pa rin ni Karinan. Karinan. Nakakabay. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Marcelo. One goal rebound by Karinan. Karinan now. Kalma lang. Karinan. Dribbling the ball. Set the play. 15 seconds shot clock. Karinan harus berbeda. 10 seconds shot clock. Lawan for 3. 1 goal rebound by Karinan. Pass break to Espinelli. Saktong-sakto. Ayan na. 1-1 tayo. Pero tayo lang ay sumali. Balong. 4-7. 4-4. Tatlo lang. Alaman ng KC. Karinan. Guys. 2 points. Toro. 1 point. Kay Ginoong Karinan. Score po natin. Next shot na tayo. 4-7 na. Rivera daw. Dribbling the ball. 40 seconds shot clock. Double team. Pasto Espinelli. 10 seconds shot clock. Nawala ang bola. 5 seconds shot clock. 5. 1 goal. Rebound by Marcelo. Hindi tumama sa ring. 24 seconds by Karinan. Pasto Erna. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining for the third. Pasto Berha for 3. 1 goal. Rebound. Second shot clock. Berha. Nawala ang bola. Maniti ang bola. Inahabol. Pasundutan. Nakuha na ni Erna ang bola. Ayan na si Ginoong Erna. Umatake. Pinasa kay Berha. And the commission. First quarter. Mahaba-haba pa yan. Let's go! Jumper ready. Pasok. 1 point. Para ng isa. PC injection. Rivera. Back to Marcelo. Marcelo. Back to Rivera. 30 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Marcelo for 3. 1 goal. Maniti. Back to Marcelo. Pinasa, intercepted by Carinan. Carinan now. Pasto Rivera. Pinasa sa kalaban. May 47, 48. Espinelli. Pinasa kay Rivera. Rivera now. Louis Borsiver. Pasto Perez, 40. One go. Rebound go by Ori. Pasto Berha. Berha now. Pinababa ang bola. Tumalaksak. Tumira. Tumbos ang may... Espinelli now. Espinelli. Pasto Rivera. Rivera now. Aras Dubai. Hernanao. 45 seconds. Pasto Carinan. Carinan. Intercepted by Ferrer. Ferrer now. Ayan na. Nasundutan. Nakakawan. Nakuha ni Ferrer ang bola. Berha. Guard. Dance. Pero wait. One more. Rebound Carinan. 2 points. Go by Carinan. Espinelli. 20 seconds remaining. 50 seconds remaining. One goal. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Marcelo now. Taking the ball. Pass to Santis. Santis. May pagsayawan kay Ginong Berha. Nagharap ng matapasahan. Nakita si Wadas. Nasa kay Maniti. Maniti. Pass to whistle. First goal. One goal. Jumbo ready for the final goal by Maniti. Second row, pasok kay Erna. Erna now. Dribbling the ball. Erna. 10 seconds left. Lorde for G. Lorde. Santin the ball. Para sa may Carinan. Santin. Nakalundot. Pinasa kay Filipino. Muntik mawala. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. 10 seconds left. Masyadong mataas. Kaya 48 to 59. Laban sana ang labing isa. Ang PC injection. Erna Borsi. Santin now. Santin. Pinasa kay Marcelo. Babawi. Wala. Palo sa turbay sa Dayday Paiti. Erna now. Dribbling the ball. Isa pa may lahutin. Santin now. Pasto Maniti. Maniti. Gas. One go. Palo sa turbay Maniti. May tito. One jump shot. One goal. Rebound by Lauden. Lauden now. Pinasa kay Carinan. One goal. Rebound by Wadas. Ayan na si Wadas. Apat laban sa dalawa. Pinasa kay Spinelli. Takto Wadas. One goal. Rebound by Spinelli. Nakuha ni Erna ang bola. Ayan na si Ginong Erna. Takto Carinan. Intercepted by Lauden.
Otrong.
Pasto Erna. 6 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Erna now. Pasto Berha. 10 seconds left. One goal. Follow up. Sa puti, mapupunta ang bola. 17 na ang alamangan. Pinasa sa labas. Lumolobo. Score 50-67. Hernang bola. Setting the play. Intercepted by pass to Escobedo. Left 2 points for the order now. Pass to Carinan. Carinan. 15 seconds left. Carinan. Pass to Laurel. Pass to Erna. 5 for 3. Erna. 3 points. Sumulan na 3 points of injection. Santin. Pass. Sapot. Santin. Lumipon score. Pass to 1 up. Jump shot. 1 go. Santin. Sapa. 2 points. 2 by Santin. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Yung susunod na maglalaro. Let's go! Laban sa base! Nag-bis-bis na kayo. Umagdahan-dahan. Now, hey, there's no whistle. Ito na lang, 4 na minuto. Malapit na tayo matapos. Escanelo for 3. 1 go. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Follow down 2 by 1 up. 2 points, 2 by 1 up. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Nawala ang bola. 6 to 70. 14 ang hinahabol ng CNC. Ilang point lang yan. Rebound pa ha? Pass to lang ulit. Lang pass to Gomez. Gomez, tagdit lang daw, sabi. Pinalik nila ako, 40 seconds shot lang. Berha, 2 points kay Berha. Please, tapo na yan. Escobedo. Dribbling the ball. Lumipon score. Pass to Santin. Santin. Tumira, wala. Rebound Berha. Berha, sinasa kay Laorden. Ayan, natila Laorden. Ikauli ba yan? Wala. Rebound to by Mariti. Manitira. Pass to Escobedo. Escobedo. Poporma. Pinasa Escobedo. Lumipon siya. Wala. Rebound to by Gomez. Gomez now. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 15 seconds shot clock. Wala. Rebound na Mariti. Inasa. Wala. Nag-wind now. Ayan na Pedra. Ayan na. Dais Ilasa. 10 seconds shot clock. Laurel for 3. Laurel.
Tira, GD.
Last 2 minutes remaining. Escobedo, jump shot. 2 points. Rival Escobedo. Konting-konti na lang. Konting-konti na lang. Kaya pa yan. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 2 points. 2 by Berha. Gomez. Inintay. Tumira.
Tira, GD.
1 minute and 15. Tira na. Wala. Rebound na Escobedo. Isang pa. Wala talaga. Masyadong malakas. Yung bola. Sa PC injection. Best player of the game. La Orden. Best player of the game. La Orden. Congratulations.